Hello guys, welcome to Zoho Guide. So today we are going to look at the Zoho app named as Zoho CRM. So let's start from what is a CRM. A CRM is functionally called as a customer relationship management system, which abbreviates to CRM, customer relationship management. So the CRM software helps you to nurture your potential customers, what in the CRM software we call as the leads. So this is the overview of the sample of how your Zoho CRM would look like at your home page. Even you can configure whatever you want or whatever you do not want on your home page. It can be based on the user's guide also. So you have my CRM home page. So let's say we have my manager's CRM home page. So it shows what how many deals were created this month, what is the revenue, and what deals are closing this month, and what tasks are overdue. So let's get on to my home page and let's see what do I have in my bucket. So I have 9 open deals, 2 untouched deals. There are no calls for me today. I have a total of 9 leads on my name, and these are my open tasks here. These are my meetings, and these are the deals which are due closing this month. Also, this is my pipeline, like how many deals are in qualification, how many deals are in needs analysis, how many needs deals value need value proposition, and so on and so forth. So moving on to first module. So these tabs here, before going forward, let's talk about these tabs about here. These tabs are actually called as modules in Zoho CRM. So each of these is a separate module with their own separate data. So let's go to the leads module, where these are our potential customers who have inquired about your product or our business. So moving forward, so these are all the leads. So we can know that how the leads have come into our Zoho CRM. This lead has contacted us through the advertisement. This lead has come through the web download. This lead has come as a seminar partner. This lead has found us through an online store, uh, etc. And they have their mobile numbers, their emails, the company which they belong to, and their title as what do they work as in their company. Moving forward, let's go into one lead. Let's see what one lead contains. So the quick actions here. So the lead first contains the lead owner, which tells that who is the actual owner of the lead. It is me or my manager or someone below me, like an executive person. Uh, Here is the email. Here is the phone number of the lead. On clicking by clicking on this green button, if you have configured with the CRM, you can directly call the lead from the CRM itself. And these are the lead status. There are various lead status which can be customized as per your needs. The first attempted to contact in future, contacted, junk lead, etc. Now moving on to the lead information, like what is the title of the lead? She is the director of sales. The phone number, her mobile number. She came in through the advertisement. Which industry does she belong to? Okay, data and telecom. What is the annual revenue of their company? It's $200,000, and the other company details as well, her email ID, her website and stuff. Even we are capturing her address information here, and if there is any other additional information, we would capture it here. If you want to add some certain notes regarding the lead, you can add it into the notes here. These are all the related lists. So note is one of the related list. If you want to add any attachment, you can add any attachments, like let's say you have sent them the brochures, the photos of your products or your company. You can attach it here as well. You can if the lead has contacted about any certain particular product, so you can add products. There's a separate products module here as well. So when you add products, and if you have added products in your products module, they get populated here, and you can just select the product and add it into your leads module. Activities are something called as it is either a call or a meeting or a task, any of these three. And moving forward, close activities are the activities that you have done completed. So let's say today you had a call at 3:30 p.m. You have completed the call and ticked the activity. Then it would appear in the close activities. If you have invited in the lead in any meetings, there are some emails that you can send through the Zoho CRM itself. So are there any mails that you have communicated with the client? Are there any drafts? Are there any scheduled emails which are yet to be sent? The You can also see whether you have sent if the lead is part of any campaign that you had sent in the past, and through which it may have come here. And this is the social related list. You can also add other related list as well through widget functions or unselected related list. So we are currently no unselected related list. Moving forward, when we actually convert this lead, so her name is Carissa Kidman. When we go to convert this lead, conversion means they are actually interested in our product. So we go on to convert this lead. When we convert this lead, it asks that do you want to create a new deal for this account. So there are also default steps as well. The leads account is already been created. The contact of the lead also has been created. So do you want to create a deal of that account? So we will tick it as a yes, and it would ask for certain things like what would be the amount of the purchase. The customer wants to buy about $10,000 of our product. What would be the closing date? So it would be like something in the future, like 30 January, and campaigns. So currently there are no campaigns. And what is the contact role of the customer? So let's say they are like developer or evaluator, and we'll click on convert. As soon as we click on convert, all these three are created, and uh, I'll just open all these three in separate tabs for you. So first, moving on to account. So what is an account? So account tells us that how many leads or deals have been created by the customer. That is what is the significance of the accounts module. So here if we go down, so you see here that how many deals were created by this customer. So it gives us the insight that how many times the customer had come into the company inquiring about any product, and what stage he was there back then. And the customer may have contacted via other sources as well. So currently it is Carissa Kidman, so next time it would be Jacob or something, or Jason. So contacts are different accordingly. So accounts modules first perspective is to capture whatever the deals which have been created by the customer, and we could analyze likability of the customer to buy or purchase our product. And these are the other things like related list. It also contains notes, attachments, the other open activities, the emails, the closed activities. Are there any products related to the account? Did they go forward and ask for any quotations? Did they go forward and had any sales orders? Do they have any accounts, etc., etc., like cases and social and member accounts and stuff. So this is the overview of the accounts module. It also contains the deal which is going on, and as well as the contact which we are currently connected with. So moving forward, what we are going to see is contact module. So contact module contains all the contact information of the lead. So it contains the phone numbers, the email, and the other information as well, like the Skype ID, the Twitter, the lead source as well. It also contains the address information, anything by which you could contact the lead. This module helps us with it. It also contains all the same related list as well, the notes, attachments, open activities, close activities, invited meetings, products, cases, codes, sales orders, purchase orders, emails, invoices, campaigns, and social, etc. And if there are any reporting contacts, let's say yesterday her manager had contacted for the same product, so we could add it in here. And finally, we are here in deals. So let's say the customer is going forward to buy our product. So there are various stages. These stages can be configured as per your company requirements. So currently, by default, there are stages like qualification. Does the lead qualify? Does the customer qualify our product? Does the customer requirements qualify our product? Are they in need of analysis or something? The value proposition, are they the decision makers, or is someone else the decision maker, who is actually going to buy a product? Then we send them the proposal, the price quote. Then there will be a negotiation and a review, and these are the three final stages. If the lead is closed won, closed lost, or closed lost to the competition, like they bought the same product from competitor company. So this is it, and this is the closing proposed closing date that we have set here. It also contains all the same information, and we have a probability here. So each stage contains a probability. So if the qualification stage has a 10% probability that the customer will buy our product. When it goes to the value proposition, the probability goes up by 40%. If it is at the negotiation and review, it goes up to the 90%. And if you see, the expected revenue also changes as we change the stage. So we can do it in deals as well. And moving forwards, you see this is a stage history, so we can also uh, see what is the history of the customer, or what stages had he moved through, and which gives us an analysis of what can be done regarding the customer, and on what date he moved through all these stages. And finally, what we have also a related list regarding our competitors. So if he is scouting any other competitor as well, then we can add it and give him a good price accordingly. So this was all the main things related to the Zoho CRM, or any CRM, that is. So the main thing in any CRM is the leads, deals, and accounts and contacts. So home, leads, account, contacts, and deals. These five things actually make your CRM. The other things are actually additive to your CRM. If you want to use it, you can use it. You can. If you don't want to use it, you won't use it. Going back to home page, it shows me whatever things are pending at the end of the day, and that's all. So this is the overview of Zoho CRM. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more videos, please stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching my video.